I chose my university course by looking through the UCAS website first of all. I checked universities that offered the course that I wanted to do. I also checked the facilities that they had on offer. I also looked at the academics just to see whether they had some really awesome academics in the field and their teaching styles.
Through much research, I eventually chose to come to USW because of how it ranked. So as being at the time one of the best universities to study IT in.
So I went to open days, I liaised with various different services of the university, like the DSA team, making sure that with my disability, everything was in place when I started.
I did quite a bit of research. So I looked at the UCAS websites and was trying to figure out what different universities offered. They've got the course modules listed as well, so you can see exactly what you'll be studying, the locations and also job opportunities for the future as well. Cardiff had a lot to offer for me personally.
I attended so many open days. I wanted to make sure that I felt right within the university and chatted to the lecturers as well, just to make sure that I felt at home.
I came for a open day and I never looked back. For me, student life was important. USW seemed to tick those boxes, and also the student support.
I also was able to go on some open days, which were really useful. So I was able to go and visit universities and see the campuses and the surrounding areas. So when I was applying, that was really useful to see exactly what I was looking for.